Hey everyone, Paul Maynard with Colorful Virtual Tours. I want to show you the new back office total marketing kit that everybody gets with their new projects. This has been in the works for over a year, and I really think it's going to help you out. So here's a live listing right now. When I upload all your assets, these are created automatically for you. So like everyone else, you're going to get the branded, the unbranded links. If there's any additional things like the iGuide or any kind of aerial video, they'll be added in here as well. There's over 13 different types of flyers that you can print out for your flyer boxes, but here's the most exciting part, is the social media flyer tiles. So as soon as you list a property, you can take these, they're created automatically for you, You can edit them if you'd like, but there's no reason to. So all you have to do is click the download button and then post it to your social media. So you have a just listed, a new on the market, you have an open house, you have a sold and put the number of days in there, and then you can post that. Then we have some specific Facebook optimized social media tiles as well. Same thing, you can edit these, you can download and then just post them. We have one for Pinterest. If you're on Pinterest, same thing, you just download it and then post it. Now what's really exciting are these videos, the site videos. We have a little teaser one, and I'll play this for you. Has a little bit of music to it. It's really quick, down and dirty, just like kind of a quick flash 25-second thing. You can put it on YouTube, or you can just download it, put it wherever you want. You have the short version there, which works really well for Instagram, and then you have the wide version here as well. Same thing, little teaser video. Then we have the actual branded and unbranded videos as well, where you can push to YouTube, or you can just download and then push them wherever you like. Now the other thing that's really awesome about this is here are all the different places that you can put your stuff. And all you have to do is, with the YouTube ones, you can view them and share them. With the Facebook ones, you can preview them, you can share them automatically. Twitter, you can tweet a branded and unbranded. LinkedIn, you can share a branded and unbranded. And Pinterest, the same thing. Super awesome. And here's one other thing that's really great. If you want to create a sign rider with more information about this property, this number is going to be used for a hotline. So if someone pulls up in front of the property, you want to get more information, they can hear a hotline, and they can also text to get the property website. So if someone's in front of the house, they text this number. Then what comes on their phone is going to give the options to put the house number in. So someone will put this house number in, 9690, and then they could click on that, and then they'd get the property website directly to their phone. And at the same time, you guys on your phone get that contact right away. So once you get that in a text, you can actually call the client and say, hey, I see you're taking a look at my property right now. Do you have any questions? Super powerful. This has been in the works for a really long time, and I'm totally stoked to help you guys market your properties in a more robust way. If you have any more questions, give me a call, or just go book the site by going to colorfulvirtualtours.com or coloradoiguide.com. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'm looking forward to helping you help your clients and help you and your business grow. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.